Hi, I'm Rick Burkhardt, managing partner of Burkhardt Personality PC, CPA firm in West Springfield, Massachusetts. We've been challenged by Jody Goodwin to take the Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS, and we're pleased to be able to do this. And in doing so, we call out 3 other groups to take the challenge. First we call out Cal Anino and his team at Anino Draper & Moore of Springfield. We call out Russ Omer and his group of lenders at Chicopee Savings Bank. And lastly, we call out Mike and Stephen Bertera and Raz Gazarian of the Bertera Auto Group. You're up to the challenge, guys, and now we're going to take the Ice Bucket Challenge.
What's the deal?
Call it to once.
Okay, ready?
Okay, wait a minute. Somebody's going to say go. Rick.
As close as you can.
1, 2, 3, go!